Here's the story. Why is the Escalade teal? Well, that goes back to just before all the Escalade even. Like back in high school, I used to plasti dip stuff back when that was a thing. I plasti dipped my own car, a couple different colors. It was lime green, it was teal. I've always liked teal. Yeah, I just did it. And then the next progression from that was like wrapping something. So me and my friend Austin, we always wanted to like try wrapping a whole car. We had done stuff like interior pieces pretty frequently. Oh, this is vinyl in here. I did that way early on, but we never did a whole car. And that was always something we kind of wanted to do. You know, this is back in like 2017. I was thinking about wrapping this thing. And I actually have Photoshop mock-ups that I will put right here that show this thing in light blue and in red. That was kind of on my thing. I actually posted it on Instagram. Like this is like a real thought process of mine. And I liked light blue because this is where the color came from. I really like the C6 Corvettes that came in that light blue color. And yeah, when you see this thing on video, it looks like that light blue, but in all reality, it's not. It's much deeper, much greener than you actually see it. If you've ever seen it in person, you would know what I'm talking about. It's just way different. But in pictures, that's what it looked like. So I'm like, oh, this atomic teal, that's what it is. It's 3M atomic teal. I thought, oh, this atomic teal stuff looks a lot like that C6 Corvette blue color. I kind of thought it was like on my radar. I also liked orange. Like if I could get a vinyl that was very similar to like a Chevy Inferno orange, that probably would be what this is right now, but that doesn't exist. So I got that. I went to SEMA in 2018 and they were doing a demo car with this color. And I got to talking to the guy and he cut me off like a piece to bring it back with me as a sample. And I'm like, man, this looks way different than it does on the internet. And I try to like take a picture of it to show my friends, hey, I might wrap the Escalade like this. So I put my camera out, I'm like, what the heck, it doesn't look the same. This is weird. And I didn't like that at first because I really liked that light blue color. I thought this thing would look really good, light blue with like clear lens taillights, you know, kind of like the Porsches do, how they have like the cleared out taillights. I think that's a really cool look. That's kind of what I was going for with like the clear and the light blue in my head. And then the more I thought about it, the more I thought, man, you know, it's kind of cool that this thing doesn't look like it does in person because it gives it more character. I don't know. This makes it a little bit more interesting. This thing was getting turboed and all that. It was never really a huge priority to wrap it. It just kind of happened. I ended up finding a really good deal on this vinyl in this color. So I'm like, heck yeah, I got it. So I had the rolls of it. This thing made one public appearance black, or I guess two. One public appearance running when it was black with the turbo setup at the first Streetcar Takeover kickoff party that I ever went to in April of 2019. It was still black. And when I got back from that, I was just bored. And my original plan was to take this thing to Charlotte that June during the SCT there and then wrap it with one of my friends who does stuff for NASCAR wraps. But I got back from that kickoff party and I don't know why, I just felt like, man, I'm gonna wrap this thing. Let's do it. So I got me, my friend Austin, my friend Sean. They had both wrapped stuff just kind of for fun, same way I have. Never done a whole car. And we're like, screw it, we're just gonna start doing it. I'd never wrapped a car before. Neither one of them had ever wrapped a whole car before, but we just started doing it. The teal is like a piece of its identity now. And that was done on purpose because it was black before this. Like all the roof, this is original paint here. That's the paint color. This is the paint color. This is the paint color. You can still see it. It's still pretty present on here. The original paint color inside the headlights that I built these when I was like 19. They're just the modded stock ones if you ever wondered. The first time this thing ever ran down the track and people saw it, it was already teal. And I think that could not have worked out better. Because in my mind, there's a million black Escalades, okay? So there's like the black turbo Escalade. Oh, well, you know, there's a bunch of those too. And it's kind of, you know, but if it's the teal one, then it's instantly, you know what it is. It was a branding thing more than anything else. And the reason I didn't pick a color that was like matte or chrome or something weird like that is I wanted it to look like it was a real paint color. I wanted it to look like it could have come from factory right off the assembly line looking just like this. It didn't, but it could have. The new Jeep, like bikini pearl something, is like a dead ringer color match to this. It's a factory paint color. So that was my thought process on that. Like I just don't, might be shots fired to some people here, but I don't like cars that are wrapped in like matte stuff because you know it's wrap. I don't like that. It just, I don't know, unless it's chrome. I mean, some cars can pull off a chrome wrap just because it's like kind of bougie, but the satin stuff is just, you know, it's not a clean look. That's not what I wanted. I wanted it to look like it was real paint. And the teal with the orange was another interesting kind of mesh up because the orange was already there. When I thought, I was thinking about the teal, but I'm like, man, I don't know if that'll go good with the orange. And I started doing research on like the cinematic composition of things and how teal goes with orange and photographs. And I actually talked to Adrian about this. I said, would teal with the orange pipes be camera friendly? And he's like, dude, absolutely would be. They are perfect. Like, do that. Like, movies do this on purpose. Like with sunsets, like the sky and the water, it's teal and orange. They're opposites on the color wheel. The orange was already there, duh. It was a conscious decision to let it ride with the teal and not change the orange. Once again, for kind of the branding aspect of it. Now you can't see right now because all the stuff's ripped out, but whenever the turbos are in here and the hood's open and the intake's on there, it's just a freaking eye blast, and it's so cool. This thing is teal because I wanted it to be memorable, and in a good way. Not in a, I show up with some goofy looking something and you remember it that way. It's just, I want it to be a color that nothing else had, no other Escalade had. You don't even have to refer this thing as the turbo Escalade or the fast one. You just say it's the blue one, it's the teal one. Now even when I go places, people are just like, oh, he's the Escalade guy, and people know what it is because there's only, like, this is it. In this kind of space, there's only one that's well known, and it's mine. And I don't have any weirdness saying that because it's true. So that's just how it is. I'm the Escalade guy. This is the teal Escalade. It's the blue Escalade. Whatever you want to call it, that's what it is. Generally, people who deal with it in person say it's the teal Escalade. And if people only see it on the internet, they call it the blue one. Doesn't really matter to me. They know what it is. And it's going to stay this way forever. It has to. I actually made a promise that I would never change this color to Asian. At the Gold Rush Rally race last year, I talked to him about it. I had been around him a handful of times through like LUTs and stuff over the years, but he never really like connected me with this. And then once he did, he was like, oh, what, that's yours? Like, then we started talking about it, and he's like, dude, I love this thing. He's like, but you got to promise me 2 things. He said, 1, never change the color and never sell it. And I said, well, I'll never sell it, but why not change the color? Because in my head back then, I thought, maybe I'll change it once a year or something. I don't know. And he said, you can't change the color because it is what it is. It has identity now. You can't mess that up. And he said, this is a direct quote. Like, Asian was just laying it down, spitting facts, and I was absorbing all of it. He said, look at Farm Truck. It's looked the same, done the same thing for 20 years and got a TV show. He's like, you got something going here. Don't change the way it looks. Just keep doing you. I'm a fan. And I was just like, just blown away. Like, that's awesome. That's the coolest advice ever. I walked away from that thinking, this is going to be teal forever. I'm never going to change it. So there it is. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. It's the teal Escalade, and it always will be. Just want to let you guys know that the new flag shirts are in. These ones, you can get them on my website, StaplesonAutoworks.com.
You just crop dust us?
I may have, I don't remember.
No, that is not the answer.
I kind of fart a lot, so it's possible. This is what I got right now. So if you want one, jump on it. They'll probably be gone. And I have more on the way, but you know, it takes a couple weeks to get them. So it's up. I know you've been waiting for them. They're right there. Link is in the description. Let it rip. Suck it, John.
It's like we're neighbors.
Hey. You want to carpool to work?
Huh?
You want to carpool to work?
Sure.
All right, you can come to the parking lot and then ride on my shoulders into the building. Okay. That's my commute.
Have you seen on Toy Story, the Beans was like, and now I gotta drive all the way to work on a Saturday. And he like drives across the street. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Toy Story 2 with that real big guy that like does all the sewing and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's not that guy. But
Al's Toy Barn.
Yeah. God, I can't believe I gotta drive all the way to work on a Saturday. And he's like, just like goes right in the middle of traffic.
Well, anyway, hope you learned something. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment if you got any questions about the wrap or why I picked that color, and I'll answer them.
Come meet me.
Yeah.
Come meet me.
Go follow 777 Performance too.
Come meet me.
And send John a DM. He might show you his butt.
Maybe. Maybe.
Maybe if you're nice to him.
Hey, you may get a 2-for-1 special.
Just don't be like
2 for 1, like
a twofer. A twofer.
so, like both of your butts for 1 DM.
No, it's gonna be both Johns.
Both
No,
Johns.
It's not.
They're gonna be in the bathroom and they're just gonna be like,
Just like stacked on top of each other. It's just like a double John hole.
Double John.